The current Honda Civic Type R, the FK8 version based on the 10th gen Civic, is a pretty amazing machine. It manages to put its 306 horsepower down to the ground through the front wheels with no fuss, just entertaining action. It's an impressive bit of engineering to get a car to do that without it wanting to rip your arms off due to torque steer. As much as I enjoy that car, I never warmed up to the styling because it's just a bit too much, and I don't think it will age well. But the car that's replacing it, it's going to look good for a long time. Say hello to the 2023 Honda Civic Type R, which looks a bit better and is faster around a racetrack than the now older one. When a Honda or Acura product gets the Type R badge, it's a sign that you're dealing with something pretty great. It was first applied to the only for Japan 1992 NSX Type R, and only 500 of those were built. Then in 1995, the DC2 Integra got the nod, and in 1997, we got a few sent to the States. Europe and Japan enjoyed Type R versions of the Accord for a bit, and the first time the Type R name was applied to the Civic was on the EK9 hatch, which was a Japanese-only version of that Civic. There were a handful of other Type R variants of the above-mentioned vehicles, but the important one here for us is the 2017 FK8, which was the first Civic Type R for the US market. It's a supremely fun thing that drives far better than you'd expect. In fact, it once held the front-wheel drive production car record at the Nürburgring, as well as a handful of other tracks. But fast forward to this toned-down version, and we have a Type R that is already a full second quicker around the famed Suzuka circuit in Japan compared to the 2021 Type R Limited Edition. Honda says the 2023 Civic Type R builds upon the great chassis of the 11th gen Civic to deliver a light yet rigid platform. The 2-liter Turbo 4 makes more power than before, and the 6-speed stick has been improved over the outgoing car as well. As for the stance, the 2023 Type R sits lower, is wider, and runs longer than the prior version. There's a healthy balance between style and stability. Honda has fitted lightweight wheels with wide tires at all 4 corners, given the car larger front fender grills, and incorporated a new side sill design which looks good and also aids in airflow. Look out back and you'll find a rear spoiler, reworked rear bumper with a new diffuser, and of course, that triple exhaust outlet. Honda plans to offer the Type R in 5 colors. You can choose between Historic Championship White, which is a great name, Rally Red, Racing Blue Pearl, Crystal Black Pearl, and Sonic Gray Pearl. Move to the inside, the Type R gets red seats, carpeting, and trim. There's a serialized plate on the dash and some extra displays so you know what exactly is going on with the car. The Plus R driving mode meter shows engine revs, rev indicator lights, and selected gear. There's even a data logger, and you can log and record lap times and even show driving videos. Honda is keeping the full spec list close to the vest at the moment. They just kind of want to show you the style here. So that includes performance numbers and also the price. We'll find that out closer to when the car is available later this fall. For now, we can enjoy its style and the fact that it is indeed quicker than the version before. And also, hopefully, this means sister company Acura is cooking up a Type R or even a Type S version of the Integra. We're never happy, right?